actually like not shin kimchi, but this is very spicy.
Oh, is it?
Come on.
This kimchi is very.
그냥 배에다가
이게 헬값 좀 매운 거?
와우.
This kimchi.
나도 김치찌개
아 오랜만이다.
Do you normally have hiccups from 매운 거?
Yeah, and I sweat a lot.
So do I. I hate sweating.
I heard.
근데 내가 맵다니까 저거.
Very.
면 진짜